Lacing your Jordan 4 military black sneakers might seem daunting. Let's tackle it with ease. First, grab your sneakers and identify the eyelets. Notice that these iconic shoes have plastic wings with holes along with the eyelets. Start by threading the lace through the bottom set of eyelets, inserting from the inside out. Pull the lace through evenly, ensuring that both sides are of equal length. This is crucial for maintaining balance and symmetry in the lacing. Next, cross the left lace over to the right, skipping an eyelet and thread it through from the outside in. Do the same with the right lace, crossing over to the left. Visualize a zigzag pattern as you go. Continue lacing this way, skipping every other eyelet. This gives a cleaner, neater look, leaving space between the laces that highlight the shoe's design. Remember, symmetry is key here for a professional finish. By the time you reach the top set of eyelets, you should have a consistent zigzag pattern. Now it's time to think about how snug you want the fit. Looser laces for a casual vibe, tighter for maximum support. Here's where creativity shines. Use the extra lace to form straight bars by feeding each lace back down the top eyelet and tying beneath the tabs. It's functional and makes your Jordans stand out. A potential pain point is keeping laces even. Sometimes one side seems perpetually longer. The pro tip: after each cross lace, give a small tug to maintain the balance before moving to the next set of eyelets. Sneakers can naturally loosen, especially with wear. Consider using a lace lock or double knot for security. It ensures you aren't stopping mid-walk to retie, which is a common yet annoying problem. So, some folks use colored laces to add flair. Black, red, or even gold can transform how your kicks look. If you choose this path, remember that the same lacing technique still applies no matter the color. For those who appreciate snug, sock-like fit, weave the lace through every single eyelet without skipping any. This ensures maximum grip, but can be a bit tight at first. Walk around the house to break in. At the end, your goal is a stylish, personalized look. You've taken a seemingly small detail, lacing, and made it your own signature touch. And it's amazing how such a simple task can enhance sneaker game. And lastly, remember that lacing your Jordans is as much about your personal style as it is about function. What matters most is that you feel confident and comfortable in your unique pair of military blacks.